Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share my Creative Times 123rd release. So excited. I'm excited to show you what she has going on. And then after I show you all these products, I am going to also show you what I've created with these products. This month, the theme is Christmas in July. Absolutely perfect. All right, let's show you some of the items that I am going to be creating with. So you can see this a little better. I'm going to bring this up a little closer so you can take a look at that. All of those beautiful Christmas in July sentiments. I love her fonts. I love how she mixes and matches them. Not only does she have this, and this is called Sweet Holiday Wishes. Not only does she have this, but she also has the coordinating stamp and die set. So the stamps coordinate with these dies, and she sells it as a group, so you will get that in one package. Okay, up next we have this here, which is the Christmas paper that she has called Fun Christmas, and this paper is so cute. Oh, look at this. Would you look at that? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. There goes all those fun papers there, and it does have a sheen to it, like I've said before. But check this out. These dies, which is called the Wavy regular tag dies, I have it the wrong way. It fits right on top of there. It fits like that. And then if you decide that you don't want the paper, she's also made it to where she has coordinating insides. So you can put anything in the inside of there, but I highly suggest that you get the paper as well. And not only do these fit that paper set, it also coordinates with the Scallop tag dies. So these will just lay right into there. Here's the next set called Pretty Scallop Oval. And then not only does she have those oval, but she has the layers that go in the inside of there. I'm gonna bring this up a little closer so you can see all of those stitch lines in there. So this is the set here. Pretty scallop ovals and pretty oval layers. All right, up next we have bows. And she has made 3 different sizes for you to craft with. First one, fun size ginger bow. So you have the little strips that will remind you of like gingerbread cookies or something like that, but they're the strips, the bow center, and then the layers for the bow. So that's the fun size ginger. We also have the small ginger bow, and it's the same way, and we also have medium ginger bow. So those are going to be super cute. We have another gingerbread person. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited about this. I am so excited. So I will definitely be creating with this little guy, along with some of the candy canes, and there's a little sucker that you can use, or you can make it as just a mint. It has a little bow with it, the face, or you can do it without the face. It's totally up to you how you want to play with these dies. I think they are so cute, and I will be showing you all of the projects that I created with this cute set. So just keep watching. Okay everyone, I am back and I have created all of my projects, and check out these cute tags. Aren't they just the cutest? You can make them to coordinate with your gingerbreads that you have. Say you put it on a package or something, you can use these tags with it. So cute. Love them. And then that little snowflake there came from her envelope tag die set, and I'll have that link down below as well. So these extra dies and things that I'm using, they will be linked down below as well if you want to pick those up. Now let's jump into the next project. You can put them on your cards either way. You can have them this way or this way. I love it both ways. So let me just show you that a little bit up more close and personal. And I added just a little bit of bling in the center. Love those. And this is what I use with that medium-sized bow. As well as out of that ginger person, I use that candy cane and put it in the center of that bow as well. So it looks like this. So you can create a little embellishment, but that's what I did. I just popped it right on top of there. I used that Sweet Holiday Wishes stamp set for that. I just put it right on the paper instead of using the die. It is so cute. And there goes the inside of my card. Okay, look at how cute this came out. I did use the Sweet Holiday Wishes stamp and die set this time. And I used that loopy tag die. It is just so cute. Added just such a whimsical touch. I love how this turned out. She's adorable on top of this little tag. Absolutely adorable. This put me in the mind of icing, so all of this coordinated just perfectly to me. I love it. Okay, and the last set I am using, okay, the Pretty Scallop ovals and oval layers. So I'm using that set. I'm also using this, as well as this A2 Fancy Frame die. And then also from the smaller gingerbread set, I'm using this here. And I'm also using the Sweet Holiday Wishes stamp and die set. Isn't that so pretty? Now this is where I use that fancy frame to cut out some snow there. And then there goes that little gingerbread envelope there. And I wanted the bird to look like a cardinal, so I went ahead and cut them out in red. And then look at this little wishing you a joyful Christmas. Would you look at that little heart on there? And I had to color that up in red. And then I used her paper again. And then there goes the inside of it. I will have everyone's links down below, so make sure you check them out and head over and get some of these goodies, because I tell you, it is just the bomb for a release, I think, anyways. So make sure you head right over. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.